So, next topic is your cross elasticity of demand. After income and price, last topic is cross elasticity of demand. Now what is cross elasticity? Cross means which are related commodities. Cross means which are related commodities. So formula will be EPXY is equal to percentage change in demand of X commodity to a percentage change in price of Y commodity. Just you have to write X and Y. You have to show the commodity X and Y which are related goods. Okay? So these are related commodities. So X and Y, percentage in demand of X to a percentage change in price of Y. That is known as cross elasticity of demand. Now there are three types of cross elasticity: positive, negative, zero. Positive cross elasticity means price increases, demand increases, and price falls, demand of related commodity will fall. Again, positive means direct relationship. So this is the case of substitute goods. Substitute goods which can be used in place of one another, tea and coffee, Coke and Pepsi. So if price of tea is more, so you will demand more of coffee, and demand of coffee tea will fall. And if price of tea will be less, you will demand less of coffee and more of tea. So related commodity demand you have to show. If price of one commodity increases, the demand of its related commodity will increase. If price of tea increases, demand of coffee increases. That is the case of substitute goods. Negative means price increase, demand falls, and price falls, demand increase, which shows inverse relationship. Inverse relationship, that is the case of complementary goods. Complementary goods means which are jointly demanded. Jointly demanded, that is car and petrol, pen and ink. Okay, if price of petrol will increase, demand for car will decrease. That is the case of complementary, which shows negative cross elasticity. Zero cross elasticity. Zero cross elasticity means which are not related to each other. These are those goods which are not related to each other. For example, tea and tea. If the price of tea will increase, it will not affect the demand for tea, right? Because they are not related to each other. So zero cross elasticity are those goods which are not related to each other. Example, tea and tea. So cross elasticity means percentage demand of X to a percentage in price of Y. There are three types: positive, negative, zero. Positive में direct relationship, substitute goods case; negative, complementary goods case; and zero which are not related to each other. Understood? That's